हेलो यूट्यूब एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो टुडे आई एम जस्ट लिविंग बैक टू मुंबई। कार के ऊपर थोड़ा लगेज बांधना है एंड वी विल जस्ट गो बैक टू आवर होम। आई मिस दिस प्लेस। यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दिस इज। सो आई एम ऑल सेट, माय कार इज ऑल सेट। लगेज बांध दिया है ऊपर। नाउ इट्स एज यू कैन सी इट्स 1:43 and we'll be reaching to our destination soon. Showing 16.5 hours and within 17 to 18 hours I'll reach Mumbai, my home. So let's start the journey. जस्ट रिफ्यूलिंग हियर। एक बार टांकी फुल करके सीधा निकल जाऊंगा बॉम्बे के लिए। Our first proper halt for tea at this hotel after refilling. More 730 kilometers to go. So after our tea break, this is our first proper halt at this hotel. यहाँ पे थोड़ा कुछ हल्का फुल्का खा लूँगा and we'll just go towards our destination again.
કાનુભાઈની માં એકલા જ ન્યા રહે કે આ લોકોને મુંબઈ આવે કરે નહીં
તો ઓલું ટોલ નાકું આવી ક્યાં આવીએ
એ
19 કિલોમીટર પછી
સૂર્ય મંદિર
નહીં just took a small tea break from here and यहाँ से I'll go take a right and वहाँ बड़ौदा से it's straight towards my home. So friends, I have just reached Mumbai. It was around between 6:30 to 7 o'clock. I have reached Mumbai. So if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. अगर आपको ये डायरीज वाले व्लॉग देखने हैं तो you have to watch the vlogs from day one. जहाँ से मैंने जर्नी स्टार्ट किया था from Mumbai to Gujarat and traveling that place and from Gujarat to Mumbai. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for making me part of your day. I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, bye.